Hey guys! It's wait. Casey's first. It's Casey and Kurtlin's Toy Review! Today we is open toys! Probably beach toys. So mine is already open. And mine is throw open. So let's open it. Because we're going to open beach toys today because it's tomorrow we're going to go to the beach. So let's open. First we got a bucket. First we got a truck for him, her, but I got a bucket for my first thing. Let's see what a bucket for this. And I think I got a goggles, guys. I got a goggles. Okay, Casey, what's your first thing in beach toys?
And the goggles for Mom.
You got a truck.
No, you got.
Hi. She got a bubble. Show it to the camera, Casey, all your things. And we got a mold. A castle mold. Let's put the castle mold right there. And we got a boat. She probably got a guitar. Okay. And guys, we got some more castle molds. We got a ship mold. We got another castle mold.
Today.
And we got some more little mold.
So
we got a sea star like Magic Star.
Food.
And we got a little train.
Wait.
And we got a shell. And we got a crab and a plane. And yes, that's all. And Casey got some tools. Got some tools. So guys, I think it's time to end. So guys, if you like this video, if you did, smash that like button and we'll see you on next time. Goodbye, and subscribe some more and let the comments down below. Bye. Let me end the camera right here.